The next question is, can you go to Figma on your laptop and show us how to copy the style guide onto another page? So if I were you, that's if this is not compulsory, please, like, take note, this is not compulsory. This is if I were. They have so many ways to go about it. Because for my style guide, I've saved my colors. So my colors will be here, my typography will be here, everything will be here. Do you understand? Instead of me to create another Figma, because when you create another Figma page, you won't see those things. Do you understand? You won't see it again. Instead of me to create another Figma page, what I will do is I'll come to this page to create another page and put and work on my what are they calling it? My mini project inside this new page. I mean, I can do whatever I want to do inside this new page. Do you get? I can have as many, because your mini project is not just one page you are designing. I can have as many pages as possible. Those people asking that, can we use one? Can we design on one page then go to another? I mean, why are you designing? Why are you just doing one design on one page? Do you know how many pages you are going to get if you are designing a normal website of over 30 pages? That means you are going to come here to start adding pages and adding pages and adding pages. So please, all your stuff should just be on one page. Do you understand? So yeah. Now, why I'm saying you should put it in another page under your style guide design board is because your styles are saved here. If you want to write anything, like once you start writing, you can easily click on it and go to your styles and change the typography to whatever you want. If you want to add color, you can click on it and change the typography to whatever you want. But when you go to your page one and copy your style guide to another Figma board, it is not saved. You have to save it again. And the essence of saving is because of consistency. Do you understand? You don't want to have color, all your colors or all your style guide in one page. That's if you copy it and take it to another design board. You don't want to have all your style guide in one page. Then you are designing another page. Oh, I need red. I'll go to page one. I'll copy red like this. I'll go and paste it like this. Oh, I need green. I'll go to page one. I'll go and copy. That's why I'm saying it is better to do it on that your style guide Figma board, but in another page. Like, this is how to create a page on Figma. Do you understand? So that it's easy for you to just select whatever styles you need and work on. I mean, that would make your work faster. So that's that on that. Another question is, I want to ask, are we going to determine the name and the logo by ourselves, or we should use any random name? So if you check here, we've already given you a name. Now that determines how you want to use that name for. If you want to use it as Williams Visuals, then that's fine. That is for the digital agency. If you want to write the full name as Williams Visuals, then that's fine. If you want to write it as anything you want to write it as, it's fine. For the project management software for full time, if you want to use it, the name is as, okay, sorry. No. This is not the name of the website, sorry. Yeah, you can use whatever name you want to use, sorry. You can use whatever name you want to use. So that's that on that. Please, the name of the project is not William. Do you understand? This is the project owner. This is the client. This is your client. Williams is your client. So you can use whatever name you want to use. Obviously, your site has to have a logo. So you can work on your logo how you want. Then I have a trick. Then when I just started design, I don't know how to do logo. I'm not a logo designer. So what I do is, anyways, just find anyhow thing and put there. It should not be big. Do you understand? Look at Revolut. Look at Revolut's logo. Do you understand? Look at Carrywise. This is logo, not just this. This is it like this. Look at it. Then this is just the icon. You can use people. You can see different sides with their logos. Do you understand? So like that, and like that. Whatever it is, but you have to provide your logo. So that's that on that. if you want to use random name, if you want to do logo, something has to be there. So that's that. I have a question, please. Designing the landing page and all, which frame are we to use? And also, after selecting the frame, how will we do it to size all that we have seen on the example of the landing page? So like I said here, sorry. Like I said here, you have to use either desktop frame or MacBook frame, whichever you want to use, you have to do it. Now, let's select desktop. So this is it here. Obviously, you know that whatever you are doing is not going to fit into this small place. Do you understand? You are going to increase the height to wherever your content will contain. So that is it. Another one is, please, can you show the example of dashboard again? Let me see. If I close my dashboard. Okay, I think I have Carrywise. So this is a dashboard. Dashboard is a web app that you go to after you sign in or you sign up. This is a dashboard. From beginning like this to the end is a dashboard. We don't need you to design the plans page, nor the profile page, nor the setting. We just need this home page of a dashboard. Just this. That's that on that. So how do we use the color star again? I tried it using it, but can't. I need help. Okay, let me quickly create this color star. Okay. Sorry, come in. Let's use blue. Let's use this blue. Let's use this blue. Then, okay. So this is me creating a color. Please select a rectangle object. Mando. I should use rectangle. Things like it's not allowed. Let's see things and shapes. Okay, works. Generate color. So this is the color. Let's say, I don't know. See, you can even use this color. You understand? So those people that use the one color for their star guide, you can use this. This color here can be your primary color. This color here can be your secondary color. Do you understand? Or you can pick a deeper one for primary and use a lighter one for secondary. You can still use it. Do you understand? So that's that. Let's save the colors and work on it, because the question is, how do we use the color style? So let me save the color. I'm not going to do that random this thing. Let's say this is brand 01. Then let's say this is just a sample though. Brand 08. Okay, so I've saved my colors. I have it here. So now let me start designing. So this is why I said you should do this your mini task on that same Figma file of your style guide. This is why it is. You've already saved your colors. I mean, this is your style guide task. You saved your colors already. So how do you use it? So this is it. I want to change this text to blue. I come to this place, these 4 dots here. Do you get? I come here, I'm seeing my colors. This is not, I understand that these are saved, but these are Figma colors. So Figma random colors. So you don't have to use this. This is what you did here. Do you understand? So I've changed it. Oh, I want to change it back to the light color. Look at it here. So my point is, when you start typing, do you understand? This is how you change your color. Once you finish typing, go out, click again, and click on these 4 dots here. That's kind of a menu. Click on it, and you select the color that you want to use. So that is that on that. Another one is, how do we create a logo, please? Like, is there any sites or app we can use to create a logo? You know, they have so many logo sites. Free, everything is Google. Free, SVG logo. It depends. If you want SVG now, you can edit it. You can change the colors. Free SVG logos. I'm using SVG so that in case if it comes with a background, like this funny background, I can remove the background color and splash whatever I need to. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Why this is an image, but this is why I'm always using SVG. So sorry. You can see this Google now. Let's say I want to use this logo, but you can see the background. So I'm copying it to my design. You can see how it is. There's no way I'm going to use, and everybody in this world knows that. I mean, you don't have to put black on Google's background. Do you understand? Even if you do it like this, it's not going to be fine. Come on, think about it. It's not going to be fine. Do you understand? So what I do is I either look for, so I'm going to search this time around Google logo transparent. It's going to give me a transparent background. Let's see. Transparent background has this, look at it, has this funny stuff at the back. So I'm going to copy it. Sorry. I'm going to paste it. Can you see now that it has transparent background? Meaning I can put it here. Can you see the text underneath it? So I can put whatever I need to put. I can put it here and work with whatever I want to do. So that is it. So let's go back to the logo. The logo. Free SVG. Anyhow you want to put it, you want to say free PNG logo without background. Anyhow, just frame your English anyway. Then Google is going to give you results. But whatever you frame it is the kind of results you are going to get. Or you can also use remove background plugin or the site. So free SVG logo. And all these logos, if you don't want to go and use somebody's logo. So what I do, let me give you my expo. Free SVG icon. I use icon though. I cannot kill myself. Then when I was learning, do you understand? If you want to, just like Harry Wise that they wrote something here, or BB. This is BB's logo. Look at it here. This one here. I mean, if you want, just like Revolut. Revolut is just R. Look at Revolut's own here. If you see it very well, this is it. Even like aside the icon, you can even just sorry, I was sharing my screen, but I don't know what happened. Okay, I'm going to share it again. So I hope you can see me. You can see my screen rather. So you can see. Sorry, I need to know if you guys are back on.
We can see it.
All right. So like I was saying, you can just use this like this as your logo. Just be funky about it. You don't have to. I would have said the icon, but the icon won't work again. Reason being that, I mean, who knows if you are actually using somebody's logo, and that's not permitted. I mean, you don't copy people's things. So I mean, do like this and continue. So that's that on that question. Any other question? Again, please. Any other questions? I'm having issues with spacers. Okay. Now this is where the spacers come in. Okay. The spacer that you've worked on, this is where it comes in. Let me just copy dummy text and put here. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, let me change this. So this is where spacers come from. Remember, you have spacers from different sizes. Do you understand? Imagine if I've like saved my spacers, or if I have my spacers saved. This is how to use the spacer. Sorry. Back. Like this. It's for spacing. Do you understand? So let's say, wait, sorry. The space this stops at, that's where my spacer is going to start from. Then this is going to is going to start from where the spacers end. So this spacer is 42. Let's put 40, or let's put 32. This is just an example, but this is how to use the spacers. Do you understand? So meaning that, so I've removed my spacer, meaning that the space between here to here is 32. Why is this so? It's because my spacer is 32 pixels height. Look at it here. So that's how you use spacers. For other spacers too, it depends on the size you saved. You see where this stops at is where my spacer is going to. Obviously, you have to zoom when you're working, please. So can you see? It's the same thing.